Every year they would go up to Jerusalem for the Passover. Again, the convergence of all their lives centered on the God who had been part of their stories, the God who accompanied them out of Egypt and now dwells within them. What does it have to do with us today? It tells us that there is something important in our lives, the sense of the holy, the sense of God's presence symbolized by the temple. As it were, any church, when we enter into it, we feel the presence of the God who walks with us every day. And it is a reminder that we under God's protection.